Let's continue on Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 21. The Rambam in Perik Daled, Halacha Gimel, tells us from this 24 aveiros that block us from doing Teshuvah, there is a group of aveiros bein Adam lachaveiroi. Bein Adam lachaveiroi, we know that the way doing Teshuvah bein Adam lachaveiroi is not only asking forgiveness, mechile from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but he needs to be ad sheyefayes es chaveiroi, ad sheyeratz es chaveiroi, to go and to ask for forgiveness from the friend, from the one that we was chayte, we sinned against them. Now the Rambam says there is 5 ways of 5 kinds of aveiros from bein Adam lachaveiroi that it's very, very hard to do Teshuvah on. Because if we made a mistake and did the aveira bein Adam lachaveiroi, someone we know who is this person, we know him, he's a neighbor, he's a friend, he's someone from the family, so we know also from who to ask for forgiveness. We know to come to him and say, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, bring a fire, bring a present, say a good word, and it will be okay, it will be moichalos. And there is also halachas, how we do this bakashas mechile, how you ask for forgiveness and what's the right way and how much times you need to ask, and we'll speak about it be'ezer Hashem and next shiurim. But the Rambam over said there was 5 kinds of aveiros bein Adam lachaveiroi that's very hard to go back. Why? Says the Rambam, because Eino יודע chaveiroi shechat aloi, he doesn't know who is the one that he did the aveira to, kedei sheyachzir lo, that he should give back the money that he took from him, or yishal mimenu limchaloi, or to ask him, he should forgive him. Ve'elu hein, he says, amikal lesarabim. If someone says a klale, a curse against a whole group of people, all the people that live in that neighborhood. Now, he doesn't know who lives over there, everyone. It's not that he cursed someone, that he could go to him, to go to ask from him kapara. He doesn't know who is the one that... He said all the people that live in that neighborhood. Yeah, all this group, the whole group of people together. The minute he spoke about a group of people, no way to ask mechila. That's why it's a aveira, and me'akev. It's a teshuvah, it disturbs from making teshuvah. Because to do teshuvah bein Adam lachaveiroi, you need to be mefayes as chaveiroi. You need to go to ask from him, from forgiveness, the one that you did against him. And over it, there's no way to know who is that person. And says the Rambam also, a second one, ve'achoylekim ganov. Someone that comes a thief and he wants to sell me something that he stole, and I'm buying it from him, and I don't know from who did he steal it. Eino יודע, he stole from someone. Yeah, that's what he does, and I need to give back, and I don't know to who. If I was doing it myself, I would know to give back. But because I was choylek in aganav, I took it, I shared it with a thief, then I don't know how to do teshuvah, I don't know who to do teshuvah. Ve'oid, another problem, shehu machzik yad aganav machtioi, you machti the ganav. If you would say, no, I don't want to buy it from you, I don't believe in something that comes in a not right way, not yashar, I want to go with yashres. I believe HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives me my parnasa, and I'm ready to pay more and not buy from you for cheap, because I believe what comes in a right, straight way of going b'derech yashar as a bracha. I want that blessing from going straight without going with the gneivas. Okay? And when you come and say it, you would maybe help this ganav, this thief, he should change his ways. And when you come and you bought it from him, he felt very good with what he's doing. Oh, yeah, you see, even he bought for me, she bought for me. Yeah, that's everyone wants it. Everyone is the same. They would do it. They're not so talented like me to do this stealing, so that's why they're only buying for me. That's what he feels. So you're machti es chaveiro, and that's from the first group, like we learned. And another one says the Rambam, someone that finds a moitze aveda, and instead of doing a shavas aveda and giving it back to the one that lost it, einay machiz aleh, and he takes it for himself. Now, later on, he wants to do teshuvah, he doesn't know to give back this aveda. He can't do it, this aveda. The one that lost it, when he went to someplace else, go no, you never could know. Another one says the Rambam, oichel shoir, someone that eats an ox, yeah, he ate meat took from someone poor that maybe sold it very cheap because he has no choice, and instead of helping him, you pushed him down in the price, used, to you do your own effort and is money and is bad situation, the Raivet fixes that stealing from a ani, because even if you know his name from this poor man, you know the name of this awful, of this Yasin Ve'almana, a widow, but this Bnei Adam umlalimim, the poor people, the Einon Yaduim Mefursamim, they're not a famous name, and they go around from a place to place very easy. Go look for him after it. You don't know where he's going to live. Eila Makir that should know to who it belongs, to where they're living now. It's very odd. And that's why this aveira of taking, stealing, pushing down, bimetzaer, Yosem Almana and Ani, to go against this poor people, that's an aveira that disturbs from making tshuva. And the fifth thing, says the Rambam, a dayan that takes shoichad, he never could know what was supposed to be the real halacha and what did he change. How much is his gneva? How much is the part that he didn't do like it's supposed to be? And then he's also machzika aveira, he's helping someone else to do aveira, and that's why all these five things, this whole group is disturbing for making tshuva. It's very odd. It's like practical odd to do tshuva, and this is a group HaKadosh Baruch Hu would save us from this aveiros.